Welcome back for another Custom Cones USA video. I'm Frederick, and today I want to walk you through the blunt rolling process with our high quality Lieberman style rollers. You'll start out by flipping the roller upside down to measure the inner square. Then use a piece of cardboard to trace the shape and cut it out. Make sure your cardboard fits on your roller and then use it as your guide to cut that shape out of a wooden tabletop using a jigsaw. If it doesn't fit snugly, you can use the included screws to screw it into place on the table and to minimize the movement. Now we're ready to roll. The slack in the belt is going to determine the thickness of your blunt. To see what size it's set to, push the belt down with your hand like you're loading it up with cannabis and pull the handle towards you halfway. Look through the side and you will see a loop the size of your blunt is going to roll. If it's too big or too small, you'll want to readjust. To make it bigger, you want more slack on the belt. If you want it smaller, decrease the slack. To adjust the slack, use the hex key to loosen the screw next to the knob, twist it to adjust the slack, and tighten the key again to test it out and see if that size is better. Once you have set it to your desired gauge, predefine the length of your pre-roll. It helps to mark on the belt where you are going to put the blunt. The cannabis and the filter tip, if you are using one, go in this concave slot, and the blunt wrap goes on the flat part. We recommend putting the cannabis a little past the edge of the paper for a full fill. Pull the lever until the paper is halfway covered, add moisture to the gum line, and then pull the lever the rest of the way. Keep in mind that your first run is more of a test to run to calibrate, and you will most likely have to adjust depending on if it's too tight or too loose. If you have a set weight of cannabis you are packing, adjust the slack in the belt. If you have a desired width of blunt you're trying to roll, adjust the amount of material you're putting in. Once you've made a solid blunt, it's easy to keep cranking them out. That's all there is to it. Make sure to tune in next time.